Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to show or hide the background image on the Brave browser new tab page on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open a new tab in a Brave browser, you may notice a background image. Some users like this for a more stylish look, while others prefer a clean and distraction free page. So let's see how to turn it on or off. First, open the Brave browser on your computer, then click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Here a panel will appear on the screen. Go to the background image section. If you want to hide the background image, simply turn off this one toggle that says show background images. This will give you a clean and minimal new tab page. If you want to show the background image again, just turn the toggle on. You can also explore different background styles depending on your preferences by scrolling down to the bottom. That's it. Now you can easily customize how your Brave new tab page looks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.